This is a brief introduction to the AI helper feature in MiniLesson. In the slides and the fiction item types, we have this editor here where you can write code, in this case, Markdown to create slides. I can switch that to HTML and then I'll have HTML slides. In either case, when I click on the AI wizard button, I get this little helper. And I can ask it to create my slides or to edit the existing slides. So if I say here, write a set of slides about soccer in England, it will take a short time to generate, and then it will prepare an HTML set of slides about soccer in England. Apply that to the editor, and now we've got that in our editor. And you can see the editor is highlighting the HTML syntax because we've set it up to do that. Now, if I go to preview, I can see the set of slides. There it is. All right, great. Now, the other thing we can do here is edit those slides. So we've got one about what soccer is, and we've got one about history of soccer and famous clubs. So why don't we add a slide about famous players? Please add a slide about famous players. All right. What is soccer? History of club, famous clubs, and Voila famous player. Let's apply that to the editor. And preview. And here's our famous players slide. Of course, it's an HTML slide, so you can edit that and add more information. You can even add images if you want to. So the other place that we can use this feature is in the interactive fiction. Here we've got the interactive fiction item type. This will display a choose your own adventure style story. This particular story is a spy story. It's a lot more complicated than the slides example, but we can see it has its own language called yarn. Let's say we want to add a node to our story. Add a node to our story at the beginning of our story, where the hero meets his mother. All right, there we have the story where he meets his mother. We won't preview the full story because the main point was to show you the AI helper. So that's how it works.